Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 6, that is angles. Okay? Let us revise what we already know about the angles. So, some basic points. An angle is formed by two rays that have a common end point. So, here the common end point is Q, which is forming ray PQ and RQ. The common end point is called the vertex of the angle. So here Q is the vertex. The two rays PQ and RQ are the arms of the angle. When naming the angle, the vertex is always written in the middle. For example, here vertex is Q. They are forming angle PQR and angle RQP. Okay, they denote the same angle, that is angle Q. We measure and draw an angle with the help of a protractor. We express the measurement of an angle in degrees. Now we will revise types of angles. First one is acute angle. It measures less than 90 degrees. Okay, the angle less than 90 degrees are acute angle. You can see this is 50 degree. It means this is less than 90, right? Because 50 is smaller than 90. So this is acute angle. And here also this is 30 degree. Again this is acute angle, right? 60 also. In short, angle less than 90 degrees are acute angle. Understood? Now second one is right angle. It measures exactly 90 degrees. Okay, you can see it also denotes by this sign. It means this is right angle. Understood? It measures exactly 90 degrees. Now third one is obtuse angle. It measures more than 90 degrees. You can see here this is of 110. So this is obtuse angle. Here also this is 120. It means this is more than 90. So this is obtuse angle. And here also this is 100. It means more than 90. Again this is obtuse angle. Understood? Less than 90, acute angle, exactly 90 degrees, right angle, and more than 90, obtuse angle. Understood? Now tell me, what does the diagram given here? The diagram shows an angle, right? Do angles have names? Yes, angles have names. You can see the lines in the diagram. Tell me the names now. This diagram has two lines, right? BA and BC, right? Which is the common point between these two lines? The common point is B, right? These two lines joining together to form an angle. The common point B is called the vertex. BA and BC are the arms of the angle, right? Now what is the name of the angle here? An angle is named by three letters. The letter in the middle represents the vertex of the angle. The name of the angle is ABC, right? While naming the angle, we say angle ABC. Okay? How we write? Angle ABC. Instead of writing angle ABC, we write angle ABC like this. Okay. We can also say angle CBA. CBA. Understood? Now we will do problem set number 24. I am doing this in the textbook. You have to do in the notebook. Okay. Copy this table in a notebook first, then solve it. Now complete the following table. The first column is diagram, name of the angle, vertex, arms of an angle. Okay. Now first one is PQR. You can see this. Now name of the angle is given, angle PQR or angle RQP, right? Now vertex is Q. We all know what is vertex, right? Arms of an angle QP, QR. Done. Now second one is given. Now name of the angle, angle LMN or angle NML. Okay. Now vertex is M. Done. Now arms of an angle, ML and MN. Done. Now third one is given, name of the angle, angle SUT. Vertex will be in the middle, right? Now or second name is angle TUS. Done. Now vertex is U. Arms of an angle US and UT. Done. Copy this table in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.